Despite the fact warning signals and signs are installed at railway crossings, numerous people were still injured or killed at these road junctions. Couldn't they see these warning signs? Why couldn't they hear the warning bells ringing? Most victims saw and heard the signals all right, but they willfully chose to ignore these warning signals. Disciples of Jesus Christ wanted to know more about the end times, and they posed the following question to their teacher: what sign will signal your return and the end of the world? Jesus foretold them a lot of warning signs, and one of these signals was the appearance of false Christs or false messiahs. In the last days, many charismatic religious leaders will appear in the world stage, and they will deceive a lot of people. Let's ponder the warning of Jesus Christ. Jesus told them, "Don't let anyone mislead you, for many will come in my name, claiming, 'I am the Messiah.' They will deceive many." Let's pose a question to God. Dear Jesus Christ, could you help me to watch out for false teachings? Let's practice what you learned. Pray that you have the wisdom to discern false teachings. Let's proclaim to others about your experiential knowledge. Share your new understanding on the end times with your family.